Hello guys, today I would like to show you a great application called WakaTime. Basically, this application is tracking our programming activity while coding in our IDE. First of all, you have to create your account. I already have mine, so let's skip to dashboard. So here in dashboard, we can find a lot of great things. Let me introduce a few of them. First of all, coding activity characteristic. Here we can check how much time is spent each day. Okay, so let's check, for example, Friday. I spent almost 4 hours on doing assignments. On the right side, you can check programming languages and also your favorite IDE. And today spent time. For me, it was 4 hours. For me, my daily average is 3 hours. And another cool feature is that you can set your goals. For me, my goals is at least coding 2 hours per day. As you can see, I'm doing pretty well. I'm happy about this. And also, if you forgot to code, you're gonna receive small remind email from WakaTime. I have to tell you guys, I'm using free account. So for everyone, free users, you can check only last 7 days of your activity. And if you want to have more cool stuff, unfortunately, you have to pay. Okay, let's finally skip to our IDE and let me show you how to install our WakaTime. File, Settings, Browse repositories. Let's write WakaTime and install. Restart Android Studio. Okay, so we have to restart our Android Studio. Remember, you can use another IDE, so don't worry, it's working everywhere. I had WakaTime installed previously, so I don't have to add my API key, but if you want to add your API key, you are going to your account, settings, and you are copy your secret API key. And of course, you are going File, Settings, you are searching WakaTime, and here you can click Enter your API key. Okay, so I would like to check if my WakaTime is working already. So let's do something. Let's work. I'm going to create a simple project. So WakaTime is actually measuring our time because we are doing something in our IDE. Like for now, the project is building. When you are not using your IDE, and the time is not counting. Yeah, so let's do anything like create activity. It doesn't matter what we're gonna do. I just want to see if our WakaTime is working already. Granted project since is in progress. Hopefully we're gonna see. Okay, let's refresh. And as you can see, we spent 1 minute on check WakaTime project. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you're gonna like this application like me and never give up, keep coding and have a good one. See ya.